The way we work is changing faster than ever. As AI automates repetitive tasks, the skills that used to define entire roles are no longer enough. Teams need to adapt, learn new things, and build capabilities that keep them valuable in a world where the only constant is change. More organizations now focus on building a culture of continuous learning, not because it's trendy, but because it's becoming essential. Employees want to grow, leaders want teams who can take on new challenges, and companies want to stay competitive as technology reshapes every industry. Improving the skills of your team is no longer about sending people to a one-time training session. It's about creating an environment where learning happens every day, in small steps, embedded in the flow of work. And that's where reskilling and upskilling come in. Reskilling and upskilling are often used interchangeably, but they serve different purposes. Reskilling is about equipping people with the abilities they need for new roles or new responsibilities. Upskilling strengthens the skills they already have so they can perform better, adapt faster, and grow into more advanced positions. The rise of AI has made these two strategies essential. Instead of replacing people, AI is changing the nature of work. Teams need to learn how to work alongside AI tools, automate simple tasks, and focus on what humans do best: solving problems, making decisions, and creating value. To reskill and upskill effectively, learning needs to be relevant, practical, and available exactly when people need it. Long courses that sit in an LMS for months don't help. Employees want guidance that's easy to access, short, and tied directly to their daily work. And the most successful companies don't rely solely on L&D to create that training. They tap into internal experts, capture real knowledge from real people, and turn that into learning that spreads across the organization. Teams learn faster when training is simple, interactive, and built around real scenarios they face at work. The most effective learning isn't theoretical. It shows people how to apply new skills in their day-to-day tasks. This is why interactive online learning works so well. Employees can take it at their own pace. They can practice through activities instead of memorizing slides. And they can return to the content anytime they need a quick refresher. But the most powerful part of effective skill development is relevance. Your employees don't just want learning. They want learning that makes sense for their job, their industry, and their team. That relevance often comes from internal experts, the people who truly understand how the work gets done. When you empower more people in your organization to share what they know, you unlock training that's uniquely tailored to your business. And that's the kind of learning that changes behavior, builds confidence, and grows skills that stick. Easygenerator makes it simple for any organization to build the learning experiences their teams need to reskill and upskill quickly. It helps you create interactive training fast, without needing design skills, technical knowledge, or complicated workflows. With Easygenerator, anyone in your company can become a course creator. Internal experts can capture their knowledge and turn it into short and practical lessons that directly support the skills your employees need to develop. L&D teams can guide quality, review content, and publish training instantly. Easy AI speeds up the process even more. You can generate course outlines, rewrite text, create assessments, or build entire lessons in minutes. You can transform long documents into engaging content, create images with AI, and focus on what matters most, helping your teams grow. Easy Translate makes global skill development seamless. You can translate training into 75 languages while keeping all versions aligned, so every employee has access to learning that feels native and relevant. And because Easygenerator is fully cloud-based, you can publish instantly, collaborate in real time, and update content whenever things change. Training becomes continuous. Skills evolve naturally, and learning scales effortlessly across departments and regions. If you want to help your team grow, adapt, and stay ahead in a world shaped by rapid change, Easygenerator gives you the tools to create the learning experiences that make it possible. To learn more about building skills at scale, Visit easygenerator.com.